Hello, in this video we'll be looking at how much does the YouTube channel Adapt 2030 make. To get some statistics on his channel, we'll be using Social Blade. Thus far he has uploaded 1,534 videos and amassed a subscriber count of 133,000. And his video views to date is 30,427,813. And his channel was created back in April 1st, 2012. And to get an estimate of how much he is earning, we'll be using the YouTube money calculator. And we'll be estimating that his CPM is $4. And by the way, the CPM stands for cost per 1,000 views, and this is the amount of money that a YouTuber gets paid for every 1,000 views that a video gets. But the CPM tends to fluctuate, as it can go from anywhere from $1 to up to $10 or $20 or even more, as it all depends on the country that the video is being watched in, how long does a viewer end up watching an ad for, and also if the viewer ends up clicking on the ad. But with an estimated CPM of $4 and his daily view count being 12,500, he'll be earning $50 per day. But this is before YouTube takes their cut of 45%, leaving him with $27, and for the month he'll be earning $825, and for the year $9,900.